Hi everyone, it's Adele from REEP. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a shofar in celebration of the Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah. Let's get started. For this activity, you will need 2 kitchen roll tubes, scissors, masking tape, a party horn, acrylic paint and a paintbrush. Cut each kitchen roll tube in half to make 4 shorter ones. You will only need 3 for this craft. Then, make a cut along the full length of one of the tubes so that you can open it. If your party horn has any fringing or cardboard attached, remove it so that you are left with just the plastic mouthpiece. Wrap the open tube around the base of the plastic mouthpiece, leaving a couple of centimetres showing so that you can still blow into it. Stick it in place with some masking tape, just like I'm doing here. Make a pleat in one side of each of the remaining cardboard tubes by folding the card in on itself slightly, just like I'm doing here. Position the tubes inside one another so that they form a nice curved horn shape. Stick them in place using your masking tape to make the horn extra secure. Use your acrylic paint to add some colour to your horn. You can use neutral colours or bright ones, the choice is yours. Once your paint is fully dry, you can blow your shofar in celebration of the Jewish New Year. Make sure to share your creations with REEP by tagging us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye!